Hi, this is Katina, and in this scale tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play A major 1 octave. So, with your thumb down in the back, you're going to start on A. Your next note is B natural, C sharp, D, E, F sharp in the front, G sharp is right here on the side. It's the side key, but you'll want to keep your fingers curved and close so it doesn't even look like I'm pressing down the G sharp, but I am. I'm going to roll into the A right here, and then we're going to go down, G sharp on the side, keeping your fingers always curved and close, especially so you can drop into the F sharp. E is already prepped in the back because you haven't dropped your thumb to hold onto the clarinet. Right there is E, D, C sharp, B, A. If you have any comments or questions, please write them below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.